Hello, practice with Abu Farhan. Pronunciation. When a word ends with the same consonant sound that the next word begins with, the two sounds are linked. Listen and repeat the sentences. Practice linking the consonants. Thanks for coming to our Safety Tips Seminar. Tips Seminar. This class will give you important tips. Important tips. To prevent yourself from being mugged, keep valuables out of sight. Yourself from. Don't let your guard down. Guard down. I must travel to an unfamiliar area. Must travel. Goodbye.